Hello guys, today our topic is about disaster recovery, and here I would like to recommend i2. i2 is Huawei's partner and is very famous for its DR solution. Today I would like to introduce two products from i2, i2 Cloud CDM and i2 Copy. Also, I prepared three topics for today's presentation. The first one is about the whole architecture, and the left part is about two main steps in DR scenery. Okay, now let's begin. This is the whole architecture for i2's DR solution. Here we have two parts. The left part is on-premise and we have physical server. The right part is on cloud. For cloud part, we have three servers: controller server, backup server, and NP server. Let's briefly introduce the function for each server. For controller server, it provides a visual management platform and allow customers to do some operation. For backup server, it can store the snapshot made from physical server and will do some computing. For NP server, it can provide some public API, and by installing agent on physical server, we can connect two parts and transfer data from local to cloud. Now let's go to i2's platform and to see how i2 Cloud CDM work in DR scenery. The first thing we need to do is regesting data source to i2 platform and binding license. And after that, we need to do some configurations. We can define our own backup strategy here. For the first step, we need to fill in some basic information such as the name, the target host, and backup node. And for the strategy tab, this is the most important. We can define our own backup strategy here. We can choose the schedule we want, a daily, weekly, or monthly, and the method. Currently, we support fully backup, incremental backup, and differential backup. And I already finished some backup strategy here. We can have a look. Please notice when we finish the backup strategy, it means we can transfer data from local to cloud based on your strategy. We can see here, the first time we use the fully backup and later we use incremental backup. Now let's do some takeover operation. We just need to define the name and the type and choose the subfiction for this failover operation. Let's choose this one and select the network. After that, just click the confirm button. Okay, the system returns succeed. Now let's go to HUAWEI Cloud. This is a console for HUAWEI Cloud, and we can see here we already created the new instance based on the snapshot. And so far we have already finished the failover scenery. It's very convenient for customer. Let's go to our last topic, failback scenery. Firstly, we need to understand what is failback scenery. Let's imagine the disaster happens and customer's production environment crashed down. At that time, we just use i2 Cloud CDM to create a new instance on HUAWEI Cloud. And after that, the user will visit the cloud resource and will generate data. And after time goes by, the customer's production environment recover, and we need to transfer the new data from cloud to local. We call this process as failback scenery. And we can use i2 Copy for failback operation. And let's have a brief introduction. We need to create a new template and fill in some basic information such as the name and the source node and the target node. And also we need to select the path where generate new data. After that, we need to click the start, and the system will help you synchronize the data from cloud to local. That's the whole process for failback scenery. And that's all for today's DR solutions. Thank you everyone. See you next time.